What does ethnic conflict mean? Disputes based on cultural differences. What is political violence? Use of force for political ends. What does bureaucracy refer to in political science? A hierarchical structure for implementing policies. What is the primary concern of human rights in political science? Protection of individual freedoms. What does state sovereignty refer to? The power of a state to govern itself without external interference. What is institutionalism in political science? Focus on formal structures and rules. What does political representation entail? Reflecting the demographics of the population. What is the significance of political parties? They organize political competition. What does coercion mean in a political context? Use of force or threats. What is the main focus of international relations? Study of state interactions. What does realpolitik emphasize? Pragmatism and practical considerations. What is soft power? Influence through attraction and persuasion. What does political legitimacy depend on? Public acceptance and support. Which of the following is a characteristic of a parliamentary system? Cabinet members are also members of the legislature. What does social movement refer to? A collective effort to promote social change. What is the role of political institutions? All of the above. What does political stability indicate? Absence of conflict and unrest. What is authoritarianism characterized by? Limited political freedoms. In political science, what does nationalism refer to? A movement advocating for national interests. What is the primary goal of political science? To understand and analyze political behavior.